Do you want to do it up here? We can make this happen.
If I was him, I would try and kiss you too.
But on the playground? No dating influencers. So I can't date you, Shakti. Nasty little. Hi guys, welcome back to part 4 of my Bali Travel Series. Come and join me on my travels through Bali and around the world. So Shakti's annoyed because she has to put sugar in her coffee. It's not.
I never have to put sugar in my coffee. I don't eat sugar. But like, I think it's the cashew milk. I think it's house-made cashew milk, and it's just like super. I mean, it tastes good for you.
I want to tell a story.
Okay.
Can you hold this?
Sure. I'm gonna be in the shot. Hey guys, we've got a story for you now. Hi guys. So we're currently at Alchemy Cafe in a wood, and we're gonna tell you a story. So we just met these. Is the background nice? I don't know. Cake in the back. So we just met these guys who are like Instagram famous. No, they're YouTubers, aren't they? Like Russian YouTubers. And the other day we saw this Instagram famous Silvio guy. And like Wood seems to be full of Instagrammers and YouTubers. It's crazy. And I just thought about this fun story when I dated a YouTuber. And I thought, I always wanted to tell this story. What you doing? Okay. Okay.
No, that's so once in Germany, I dated this YouTuber. He had like, I don't know, 100,000 followers.
How many?
100,000?
How many?
100,000? But I'm not gonna say his name.
We can beat that. Everyone subscribe down below.
Subscribe down below. I'm not gonna say his name. And I was like curious, like get to know this person. And then when we met, like the very first night, he told me how much money he earns.
From YouTube?
I guess so, because that's his job. So, little disclaimer, I really don't care about money. I have traveled the past 3 years around the world with almost no money at all, and I've never been happier. For me, it is just so weird to tell someone on your first date what income you make. There are so many more important things to tell someone about yourself on a first date, aren't there? He dated another YouTuber beforehand. They were like almost married. And then he told me how much money she earned. I'm like, why are you telling me this? Like, I didn't ask for it. He just like told me straight out. Yeah, and then he tried like kissing me on a playground. That was super weird.
It's not. If I was him, I would try and kiss you too.
But on a playground, and he kept like trying to kiss me, although I wasn't feeling it. And he also kept inviting himself to my home. Although I didn't tell him where I lived, he would bring me like to the corner where I lived. And he was super creepy about it. And he's like, I'm just gonna come over to your place. I'm like, you don't know where I live. And he's like, yeah, I know the kind of direction where you went. And I'm just gonna check all the bells. And I know your surname. I'm just gonna check your name. I was super creeped out by it. And then finally I agreed, like, yeah, okay, just come over. So he came over to my place, and then one last time he tried to kiss me, and like I would sit on my bed. I sat on my bed, and he put like his legs on my thighs, so I couldn't move, and came super close to me, but yeah, it was super uncomfortable, and I've never saw him again.
How did you get him out of your house?
Well, after that, after I declined his kiss, he kind of like just went along.
Left because he was like, I'm not getting laid tonight, honey. I'll tell you why he did that. Show the people. I'll show you.
I'll show you.
It's because he was operating all down here, honey, instead of up here.
Exactly. Just all from the root chakra. Well, that was a weird situation, and ever since I haven't been dating YouTubers or influencers. Thumbs up for that. No dating influencers. So I can't date you, Shakti. Shakti? Nasty little girl. So next stop on our journey is the Villa Bore. It's up north and it took us about 3 hours, but it was definitely worth it. You want to do it up here? We can make this happen. Yeah, it's beautiful. You should do your retreat here. It has like 2 stores.
To be on this vibration.
And which vibration?
This vibration, like this is like the level of abundance that we like need to start being comfortable with.
I know.
To start like being.
I know.
In alignment with this.
After we got a tour of the yoga hall and dining area, we decided to do some workout. So while Shakti did some easy yoga, I did a very intense swim training. But yeah, I can do yoga too. Almost. So with this beautiful clip, I'll leave you with this. This was my 4th part of my Bali installment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you had fun, leave me a like and subscribe so you can be around next time.